this video, we're going to be talking about the project stages and how to know exactly how your project is moving along, so you know how close it is to being completed. So let's start here on the project dashboard page, and we're going to go to project stages. Now, this is all the stages of the pipeline all the way to completion. And you can see this particular project is in this phase. So whatever phase your project is, when you click here, you'll see it in that phase. When you click here, and you go to full project, you'll see a couple of things on this page, a little information about the project, where you can request revisions. We'll talk about that in another video. Project onboarding data. If you've already onboarded, you won't see this, but this is just basically if a project doesn't have onboarding data. Any milestones that are coming up, any project and attachments. So if you uploaded pictures or examples or anything, you can see them here. Any comments back and forth to us, you can comment directly to us right here and we'll see it. And then, of course, you can see the risk assessment. This is something that we put on your project if we feel like we need to assess how to get the project done quickly, and a full log of all the activity on this particular project. You can also see the project board, which has all the tasks that are going, and you can see completed tasks here. So you'll be able to see any projects, and any projects in the in progress part, you'll also see on your dashboard. So you can see everything that you need for the project, and you can also see the entire project progress right here. So you can see this is in the design phase. If we go back and we move this forward, well, we can't move it forward because I'm in a client account, but if we move this forward, you would see that it's in the development phase, and you can also see the pipeline progress here. So if you're ever wondering what's going on with your project, you can see a snapshot of everything. You can view the timeline of when stuff is supposed to be completed. Pretty much everything you need to see your project, you can see it here, and take full control of your project inside Centixpress. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us, but this is how you would manage everything with your project. Besides that, I'll see you in the next video.